I'm Kit from kitpakes.tv, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. I'm going to be showing you these. Ooh. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds. They aren't the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, which apparently are a bit better for some reason, I don't know. These are just the standard buds, and they retail for about 105 UK pounds on Amazon right now. You could probably pick them up a bit cheaper than that, but the retail I think is about £140. And yeah, so we're going to get these out of the box and set them up on my phone and see what happens, how they work. I've got very little idea about these. I won them as a prize, so I thought I'd just do a video and show you how they work, and hopefully we can learn together. I believe they've got some sort of gestury, swipey control thing on them, maybe. But yeah, all I know is they're made by Samsung. The audio has been tuned by the wonderful people at AKG. So let's get it out of the box. Ooh, shiny, right. So there we go. That is what's in the box. We've got the case up there, and it's all wrapped up. And I think that's like the buds and things. So let's take this top bit out first. So this is the charging case. You put your buds in here to charge. Now, I believe I'm right in saying that it's got wireless charging on the back here, and you can power share with your phone and wirelessly charge like that. So you can put them on your back of your phone and charge them, which is really cool. Or there is a standard USB-C connector at the back there. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, hello. There we go. That is them. I've just opened the case and there was a red light, and now it's gone green. Okay, so we'll investigate the box a little bit further. So this box is inside the box, and I can see it's got some different sized earbuds in, obviously for ears of different sizes. There we go. So here we go. There's in there, and I think what we've got there is a charging cable, USB-C charging cable. Yes, I'm correct. Standard USB connector to USB-C, and then in here, well, it's a bit squishy. There we go. Ooh. So we've got some smaller bands that say left and right here, and we've got some slightly bigger ones that say left and right. So that's that. Right, but there's no quick start guide or anything like that. That's a bit weird. No, there's literally no instructions. I never usually read the instructions, but it's always good to have an option. But right, Bluetooth is switched on. Yep, okay, cool. So I don't know. I'll search on Bluetooth and see if they get seen. Oh, hang on. There we go. There we go. Look at that. That is great. A new device has been detected. That's smart. Oh. Okay, so it's downloading some Galaxy wearable software. And it's installing that. Allow the Galaxy wearable to access your contacts. Yeah, all right. Yeah, I want it to make phone calls, so that's good. Yeah, let's allow it all the time. Let's go crazy. Do you want it to access your files? Maybe. Well, I suppose it needs to access the music files. There we go. So it's now fired up the Galaxy wearable software. Now, I'm pretty certain these work as standard Bluetooth headsets for normal phones, like if you want to use them on an iPhone or any other kind of Android device. But I think you get like a slightly better experience if you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone with them. Okay, so it wants me to allow access to the my contacts and my calendar and my phone call logs. Goodness me, wants all the things. John, allow them to view and send SMS messages. Yeah, why not? Let's go crazy. Right, I'll agree to that. Oh, okay. Okay, so now it's asking to access certain apps, and you can get notifications. So I'll do incoming calls. You can see all the apps on my phone. Good thing I don't have anything dodgy on here. He says, worried. I guess I wanted to read my WhatsApps. That'd be really handy. And maybe my Discord messages. Yeah, let's do that. Cool. Right, next. Okay. So it's giving you little bits of help now. So you can tap on them to play or pause a track. That's cool. You can double tap to play the next track or answer or end a call. Tap, tap. Right, okay. Triple tap. Dun, dun, dun. To play. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. To play the previous track. And then we've got touch and hold. User's choice. Oh, okay. Or decline a call. Okay, that's good. And ambient sound. Oh, okay. So it's got some sort of ambient sound settings. You can turn on the ambient sounds to amplify sounds from your surroundings so you can stay aware of what's going on around you. That's great, because that is like one of my bugbears is like people wearing headphones and stuff on their bikes, and you shouldn't do that because you should be able to hear. So that's really cool. That's really cool. Okay, so you can mess around with the ambient sounds there. And if you've already paired your earbuds with a phone or tablet, just open the charging case to connect them again. They don't connect automatically. You've got to touch and hold both earbuds for 3 seconds until you hear a beep. So that's how you pair them normally. You just touch and hold for 3 seconds on both of them until you hear a beep. And there you go. Yep, we can do the wireless power charging. Ah. And it tells you the case battery level on the front. Ah, okay. That's really smart. I like that. So the case has got a battery in them, so you can charge them in the case, but you don't have to have the case plugged in the whole time. That's really cool. Right, okay, so that's done. That's smart. I like that. Okay, this software's smart. I like this. So there we go. It tells you the battery level on both earbuds. There's an equalizer setting as well, which is there. And, oh, hang on, you can do Find My Earbuds. How does that work? Wow, they vibrate when you take them out of the case. That's weird. Let's see if we can find them. That's so smart. I like that, because you will lose these things if you're not careful. I like that a lot. Excellent. That is amazing. I'm enjoying these. Right, okay. So that's good. About earbuds. There's earbud software updates. Of course there are. I kind of want to carry on with the video. We'll do that afterwards. So right, let's okay, you can see my screen now. Let's try and put these in. So this is left. And this is right. Okay, they're both kind of, they fit okay, I think. Yeah, they look all right. I mean, you know, you can see that you're wearing them, but okay. So let's try some music. Obviously, you won't be able to hear this music, but I'll tell you what. One of my favourite songs to try is this one. This is a really good song for me to listen to the music and just get a feel for the quality. So let's try that. So this song has got a really good dynamic range. There's lots of treble and there's lots of bass and there's good vocals as well. Here we go. The chorus is coming in now. I'll tell you what. That's not bad. That's really not bad. I don't think it's the best sound I've ever heard through some headphones. But it's very good. It's very, very good. I like that. I mean, these are the cheaper versions of them. But I like that. So if I tap again. Right, I'm going to turn the ambient sound on and see if I can hear things. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, okay. I can hear myself. Hello. Yeah, that works. Okay. And now... That is smart. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Okay. Okay, right. That is really interesting. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I have had some wireless earbuds before. that I got from Amazon, and they were a bit ropey, but I like that. I really like that. It's a good little setup. So yeah, I think that's great. I mean, obviously, I need to test out running. I don't run. I have run. I've ran. You get 6 hours call time with them, so that is different to 6 hours listening time, like music, because obviously calls you use less volume and less sort of Bluetooth energy, I would say. Probably a shorter amount of time having music playing through them, but it does say 6 hours call time. But no, I could very much see me sitting listening to my music with these, and I just love the little case. It's great to just sling in a bag. So hopefully now, if I turn on wireless power share now, let's do that. Gonna have to be, oh, you can't really see the light, but that is definitely charging. So that's charging using my phone's power to power that, which is great if you forget like an adapter and your phone's got some battery. That is so cool. Okay, so I'm quite impressed with that. I think the middle-size earbuds that it comes with by default are perfect for my ears, so I don't need to change those out. But yeah, that's a great little product. I'm really pleased with that. That's turned out great. I mean, as I say, the sound isn't like absolutely amazing, but it's pretty damn good. So yeah, that is the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Not the Buds Plus, it's just the standard ones. But yeah, definitely, if you can pick up a pair, why not? I think they come in black, yellow and white. I think I'm right in saying that. And yeah, at the moment they're on Amazon for 105 UK pounds, and they retail for 139 UK pounds. But yeah, that's great. I'm over the moon with that. So that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!